Hello, I'm Mark Salamasick, Director of Center for Internal Auditing here at UTD. I'm here to talk to you a little bit about internal auditing, but first a little bit about the program that we have here at UTD. We have one of the largest graduate programs here at UTD that is classified as a Center for Internal Auditing, one of only 5 worldwide. With that program, it comes a very comprehensive program with courses in internal audit, forensic accounting, advanced auditing, compliance, risk management, audit software. So we have a very comprehensive program, and I want to talk to you a little bit about that. But first, a little bit about myself. I worked as a practitioner in internal audit for almost 20 years at Bank of America. And in 2003, we started this program with the idea that we would have a program that was multidisciplinary in nature and provided leaders in the internal audit field. So you're thinking to yourself, what is internal auditing? Internal auditing is a little bit different than many of you that are doing the accounting majors in that it's very comprehensive in terms of it's very broad, covers all disciplines, everything from finance to marketing to looking at the entire corporation in addition to some of the skills that you've developed in accounting. Our program is built at the graduate level, and therefore we encourage a lot of our students, particularly those that are going on for their master's degrees in accounting, to take courses on the fast track program in internal audit. So a little bit about the field of internal auditing and some of the positions that may lead to in risk management, forensic accounting, lots of different opportunities, and particularly in today's environment with Sarbanes-Oxley and the increased regulation, there are a number of opportunities that are out there for many of you. So internal audit is, again, a multidisciplinary field that covers wide range of areas that you would look at within a company. So think of it this way. External audit, you cover the financial statements and review and attestation to the financial statements. With internal audit, you're looking at all the business processes throughout the company. So you could be looking at any area of the company, learning that area very well, and coming up with recommendations for improvements in effectiveness and efficiency. So very broad in nature, and you get a lot of exposure, diversity in the work that you're doing as part of your job. Many accounting majors are interested in it, and the companies that are looking for candidates are looking for candidates that have CPA. Also for internal auditors, there's a certification called the Certified Internal Auditor. Our program is very much integrated to that exam and helps students passing the CIA exam. Many of our students are also working towards the Certified Information Systems Auditor exam, which is specifically for those going into information technology audit. Again, many of our students that are more adept at using technology, want to get a bit more in technology, it provides a very good career path in terms of going to IT audit. So you may be thinking in terms of what's the career options and what kinds of jobs are out there. Basically, our students get placed at lots of very good companies in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, in addition to companies that are like Microsoft, that may not be in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, but they're very prime companies to work for. We've had our students work at J.C. Penney's, Southwest Airlines, Kellogg Brown and Root, KBR down in Houston, all the public accounting firms, Ernst & Young, Price Waterhouse, KPMG, Deloitte, Whitley Penn, Weaver. Any of the public accounting firms typically will have a function called Risk Advisory Services. That Risk Advisory Services group will do work similar to what internal auditors do within companies and will work that supports the internal audit function of those large companies. So our students have been very fortunate in having a very hot job market both in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, nationally, and even some of our students have been placed overseas because they've had a desire to work overseas doing that work. So what's so exciting about careers in internal audit? Some of those jobs can lead to positions that you could travel a lot. You may also be more interested in not traveling. So you could be an auditor at University of Texas at Dallas, UT Southwest Medical. Some of the foundations that we work very closely with, American Heart Association, Komen Foundation, those are all groups that we actually do real audits with as part of our internal audit class. So the curriculum provides a very unique opportunity for students to work on internal audits as part of our core internal audit class. So we're one of the few programs actually nationally that provide you that opportunity to see whether or not you like internal audit as part of the program and go on for a career. So what are some of the other things that our program buys you with being that Center for Internal Auditing? Well, one of the things is we have lots of scholarships for students that want to pursue careers in internal audit. This last year we gave $44,000 worth of scholarships to 28 different students. So as far as making the profession grow and providing opportunities, we are one of the largest schools as far as providing scholarships to our students that are progressing with internal audit. So you say, this sounds kind of interesting. So what do I need to move forward? One of the things, we have a IIA ISACA student chapter here. The IA stands for Institute of Internal Auditors, ISACA Information Systems Audit and Control Association. Those are the professional associations that support our school, our program, and that we are also affiliated with. Our chapter actually meets every Wednesday from 5:30 to 6:45. We have a meeting every week where companies support us and we provide food and beverage to those that participate in it. We also have a lot of other activities for students to get involved in and have a lot of fun. We do receptions at some of the companies also. Every fall we do an event with Southwest Airlines, and we've been to a number of the other local companies like Parkland Hospital, BNSF Railway, and a number of others throughout the years. So hopefully you are interested in pursuing this a little bit more, and I would recommend you attend one of our student chapters or come by and see us. Thank you.